This is a great service, and I'm amazed at the amount of organisations around Australia that are not aware of it. Take that number down. It's a suicide callback service. It's a 24-hour nationwide service. It provides telephone and online counselling to people 15 years and over, 24 hours, 24/7. Who can the service help? People that are suicidal. So people that are, and the beauty of this service, and I'm not putting down Lifeline, but the beauty of this service is that the same counsellor will be the same counsellor that gets that you call will be the same person that gives you that service. People entering, caring for somebody that who is suicidal. So if you have somebody in your family, or you have somebody at work that's suicidal and you're not sure how to go about it, but you think you're going the right way, but you're not quite sure, give these guys a ring and talk it over. It's like having a mentor that's trained and professional. People that are bereaved by suicide, health professionals supporting people affected by suicide. It's only been around for the last 2 or 3 years. It's a 1300 number. It's free. A lot of the young people, a lot of people that sadly that may be suicidal, don't have credit on their phone, or don't have a phone service that can engage in a service for hours on end, can't afford to pay the bill. They'll ring you once you put that call in, and they'll contract with the person, the individual, or you as the caregiver, to ring you back at a certain time on a certain day during the process. I think it's up to 6 appointments that you're able to get. If you need any more appointments, then you can renegotiate that. If you lost a loved one to suicide tragically, Standby has now 16 centres across Australia, but the Standby centre started in Noosa. It's gone up to Wide Bay. Standby, that's their office number. I don't have their mobile number, but that's the office number. So if you know somebody that's lost a loved one to suicide and needs support and to help, that's the number to ring, 54424277. Standby. It's a local service that has expanded to be an Australia-wide service and doing a great job within people that are bereaved by suicide, people that have lost a loved one to suicide. And there's some other numbers there that I'll leave up here. And so if you don't have any of those, use those as a resource, and take some of those numbers down and use those to help you in your, I guess, in your support of people within your community.